What up guys? Alright, in today's video we are going to be doing a HKS dual resonated front pipe install on my FRS. I am so excited. Anyways, pretty much got the front pipe first. I wanted to get a catback. Can't make up my mind which one because I want an MXP RS, the Invidia N2, the R400. Those are pretty much my top three. The MXP is a little bit too aggressive, especially since I'm in California with this new revised law. I kind of don't want to be pushing any buttons, so I'm going to be doing a stock catback for now, but I'm going to be doing an HKS dual resonated front pipe and then probably an unequal length header. Probably going to go catted, unequal length header, just in case if I get popped and expected, I at least have a cat on the car and I don't get fucking buku tickets, because not having a cat is more expensive than just having a modified exhaust. I also have a sound dB meter that I'm going to be testing the stock exhaust fully and then with just this front pipe. My plan is to do the front pipe, probably an Invidia or Tomei overpipe with the FT86 Speed Factory unequal length header, unless I can find a deal on like a nice Tomei, but that's my plan. And then I'll probably ended up getting the R400 exhaust, since it's more on the quieter side. With a full exhaust, it should be able to have a nice little rumble without pissing off my neighbors. That's my plan. And yes, this part came in super fucking quick from FT86 Speed Factory. I'm excited. So yeah, I'm gonna go out to the garage, jack up the car. I want to measure the stock sound and then see if it notices any difference. I don't know if it's gonna notice any difference. I'm gonna go out to the garage and then we'll get going on this guy. Yes. What up guys? We're in the garage, got the car, I just gotta jack it up right now, and then we can begin installing this HKS front pipe. So yeah, let me get on the jack stands right now.